What's up, fam? Welcome back at Gardeners Falls. I'm going to head down that way. Got the umbrella just in case it rains. But we're going to take some photos, so come with me. And as you can hear, waterfall, just a small little water thing there. So guys, let's go. Let's go and get some photos. Woo. So guys, just before I got to the waterfall, I found a shot just across the creek here. I'll show you. So I've seen these little fungi, or fungi, whatever you want to call it, across the creek. So I've stopped, set up, we've got the long lens out so I can zoom into it. I'll show you a shot on the back of the camera, but can't wait to get home to edit this one. So the reflections of everything is a little bit bad, but what I did was a 6-second timer, f11, ISO 100. Who wants to focus in? There we go. But yeah, I gotta be careful, guys, doing this video. There is a lot of people around, there's a lot of kids around, and I don't want to upset anyone by putting them in the video. So I'll do my best to keep everyone out, but stay tuned. We're still going to head down to the main waterfall. Pack up now, head down there. So you guys know where I am. Pretty common photo that I've taken a few times. Reenacting basically my cover photo for this Facebook page, shot with the wide angle lens that I got on. So 20mm or something, I don't know, I'll have to have a look. Which is just getting this rock in focus and everything like that, and then also getting that. So guys, I'm gonna keep pumping away on the shutter here, on the button. I'll just quickly show you what I'm doing. So 1.3 seconds, f9, ISO 100, 2-second timer. So why am I going to do multiple shots here while I can? Well, if you know, when I do my long exposures on waterfalls and all that, I look for patterns in the water, and that's what your long exposure is going to give you. It's going to give you swirl marks in the water. So I'm going to keep going until I want to change. I'm going to do another different style here. I'm going to try and do a pano, so that'll be interesting. Yeah, I just want to try and get as many patterns in the water to choose from as I can. So guys, you'll see the photo right now, and stay tuned for more. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm in portrait mode. I've just done a pano, 6 pano or 5 pano shot vertical, and then I've done 3 pano shot landscape. So see how they turn out. Haven't done too many panos before, so here they are. See what you think. Cheers. So guys, you can see there was the waterfall. That's the main one that I haven't been able to get, but I'll just switch around to the camera. Well, lean back a bit. Be careful, I'm standing. So you can see what I'm shooting. But the thing is, I've got people on top of the waterfall, so I'm just biding my time, waiting for people to exit my frame so I can take a shot. Because I don't want to upset anyone while I'm taking my photography, never do. Just always be considerate of others, and just wait for the shot to be clear. But the thing is, there's a lot of people around today, so it is what it is. I got time. It's only 4:30, so I'm going to hang around a little bit longer, wait for this shot. And guys, thanks for watching the video. This is going to be the last shot, so here it is now when I get it, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.